Accomplishment doesn't happen by chance.
It's a choice.
All my successes,
And even my failures
stem from one driving force inside of me: will.
I am not a leaf in a stream, letting life take me wherever it goes.
I determine my path.
When the alarm goes off hours before sunrise,
I will myself to get up, get to the trailhead, and skin.
step by step, to the summit. It's not easy, but nothing rewarding ever is.
I believe sweat is beautiful,
Life is full of obstacles.
You can either let them get in your way
or choose to conquer them. I choose to overcome.